This is code.org. Make all the honey? Okay, lots of honey. Whoa, yep. I have 1 block on my screen. I need to only use 6. As I often do, I'm just going to start by throwing stuff down. I got to move forward. Looks like I'll need to make honey, I think. And what do I'm going to want to move forward again. Go, bee, go. Make honey. Forward. Make honey. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many do I have? I don't know. Let's run. The nice thing about code, you can be wrong. You can test stuff a bunch. Yeah, not enough honey yet. We're working on it. Calm down. Gosh. Move forward. Honey. Now I think I'm going to turn left. Then I'm going to go forward. My bee's going to keep making me some honey. And then I'm going to, guess what? Go forward. And then guess what? Make honey. Let's see where this gets me. Notice I'm way over on blocks. I've used 16 and I'm only supposed to use 6. Okay, so that's working thus far, but I'm repeating myself with code. Let me go ahead and finish this because I'm actually repeating myself twice. And it's really nice to do it this way. You can kind of plan your stuff out and see what's going on. So if I keep going to get to the end, right? Well, look, I'm going to tear this apart. Joop. Joop. What's happening here? I can leave the left down here, actually. I'm moving forward how many times? I'm still not at the end, right? These are the same length. So, why? Why would I do this? I move forward, make honey, move forward, make honey. Look how, instead of doing all of that, I can just, and think about it. If at the very end of this, I turn left again, that won't hurt anything. So instead of doing all that twice, why don't I just do this? Boom. Drag this out. Now I'm still going to have too many blocks, but I certainly shrank it down. Let's give this a try. And it runs in order. It's going to hit the bottom and keep going. Now, I still am way over. Well, wait a minute. Let's see. Move forward, honey. 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 What? Whoop. Whoop. I broke things up. Choop. 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 I still need my turn left. Why am I doing this 5 times? I can use a repeat block. So, repeat 5 times. Oh, there was an extra. Whoop. 5 times for you. Zoop. And now I only turn left after I go forward 5 times. So let me put that there. Let's step through this real quick. So 2 times I tell the computer, and this big pink mouth, I'm going to run everything in it 2 times. Repeat 5 times. Move forward. Done. Get the honey. Done. Now again, hits the bottom. Zoop. Back to the top. I should step forward again. Make the honey hit the bottom, back to the top for my 3rd time. Move forward. Make honey. Hit the bottom of this little pink mouth. Back to the top for the 4th time. Move forward. Make my honey. And finally, the 5th time, move forward. Make honey. Well, I just did this 5 times, so I'm done. I drop below and I turn left once. Then I have to do this whole loop 1 more time. So 5 more times I move forward to make honey. And we did it! Victory! Onward!